Welcome back and thank you for staying with us here on News Desk. We continue with stories where education stakeholders in Western Kenya region have been urged to come out and help students living with disability. In special schools, the stakeholders have been asked to improve their education and quality of life by providing basic needs such as specialized learning materials, improving infrastructure, availing assistive devices and foodstuff to enhance education outcomes, besides stepping up the fight against stigma. Speaking at the Daisy Special School in Kakamega Town during an assessment tour of disabled pupils, the stakeholders led by Alice Atome said they have put in place measures to raise funds to help 1,500 students with disability in Kakamega County with required items to ensure learners with special needs get quality education.
Feeding is a challenge, and so they need food. They may be physically challenged, but their appetite is not challenged.
Hawa watoto wako na nafasi yao katika jamii, hawa watoto wanatambulikana, hata katika kazi wapewe na wasaidiwe, kwa sababu ni watoto viumbe ambao wamezaliwa na lazima wawe integrated into the community.
And what I want to appeal to the public is actually to support these children, because disability is not inability, and every child deserves a place.